fresh homemade Papri.
They are very crispy and delicious to eat. You must try them.
The ingredients it contains are named
Flour,
oil,
salt,
and cumin seed.
Add water to all these ingredients and knead a stiff dough.
Now heat the oil and keep all the papri layered on top of one another and deep fry them.
You can see how well each layer will separate, and we will get a lot of crust.
Lightly fry them to low flawn, and when they turn golden brown, take them out and keep them in the pan.
This is the best Papri you have ever had. It's so delicious. It's so crunchy. Once you eat it, you'll keep eating it.
You must make it at home, and it can be used for several days and stored in an airtight jar.
It is specially made during Ramadan, and we use it during iftar on these days.
If you like my recipes, then please make them and enjoy them.
If you make it at home and your pappy turns out to be very tasty, then you must tell me in the comment section and share it with your friends and relatives.
There are many food recipes on my YouTube channel. Please try them too.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.